Welcome to the AW Services YouTube channel. A little something if you've just recently purchased a Renault Trafic van. It may be a Vauxhall Vivaro or a similar van with the same chassis configuration. You might be surprised, but if you've got a Renault Trafic, mine's a business 2016 model, if you weren't aware, if you pull down the middle seat, you might have it in yours. You've got an additional cup holder. You've got a storage compartment for documents, workbooks, you know, anything that you wanted to keep out of the way but also have it accessible. And you've also got a clipboard if yours is complete. My van only had one previous owner, which was a local authority, so it was spotless. But yeah, I've even got a clipboard in there. I've actually only just noticed that, to be honest. I was cleaning behind my seats and cleaning my bulkhead, and I thought, oh, I noticed a lever on the seat before, but never thought anything of it. I thought it might just be a bolster back to support your back. But no, pulled it down, clipboard, drinks cup holder, very useful. Might actually use the clipboard while I'm working because I can put my printouts of my daily work on there. Brilliant. Thought I'd share that with you. If this video has helped you, hit subscribe, support the channel, help its growth. Watch some other videos of mine, check out my playlists. Hit the bell icon for notifications when new videos are published. Give the video a thumbs up if you like it and a thumbs down if you think it's crap. But thank you for your support. Have a nice day. See you soon.